What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a popular health trend that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's not a diet per se, but rather an eating pattern that can help you lose weight, improve your metabolic health, and potentially even extend your lifespan. There are different ways to do intermittent fasting, such as the 16/8 method, which involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calorie intake for 2 days. Intermittent fasting can be challenging at first, but with practice, it can become a sustainable way of eating. How does intermittent fasting work? Intermittent fasting works by putting your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns stored fat for energy instead of glucose from food. During the fasting periods, your body produces more ketones, which can lead to weight loss and other health benefits. Intermittent fasting also triggers a process called autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged cells and produces new ones. This can have anti-aging effects and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Additionally, intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. What are the benefits of intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting has numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, reduced inflammation, and even potential anti-aging effects. It can also improve brain function and boost mental clarity, as well as reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Intermittent fasting may also improve immune function and increase lifespan in certain animal studies. However, it's important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or eating pattern. Can intermittent fasting help with weight loss? Intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss, as it can help to reduce calorie intake and increase fat burning. By restricting eating to certain hours or days, intermittent fasting can create a calorie deficit that leads to weight loss over time. Additionally, intermittent fasting can improve metabolic health and reduce inflammation, which may also contribute to weight loss. However, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle while practicing intermittent fasting, and not to rely on it as a sole method for weight loss. What are the health benefits of intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting has been found to have numerous health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and weight loss. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can also lower the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. If you found this article informative, be sure to like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our new videos and will always stay up to date on the latest health and wellness trends. Don't let FOMO, fear of missing out, get the best of you. Hit that subscribe button now.